Looks cool.
Sopa?
Yeah, we'll just put it in the middle. Thank you. Wow, so let's try this French onion soup. Cheesy.
Try this.
Tuna. Wow. Looks really cool. Perfectly cooked. Grabe. Ito. Hilaw na beef carpaccio. Isa sa mga paborito ko, lalo na nung galing ako ng Belgium. I was gonna say kulang ng konting asim, pero may lemon pala sila dito. Grabe, sarap. Yung broth na wala sa ating ganito eh. We're going back to our room, so we're finally gonna be able to sleep.